This is a nursery play time. A teach from nursery 3. Sala Sokunola, nursery 3, Sami Sabadino, nursery school. Very needy. Come on, Yata, Tabiminche.
Hands-on academy. Ana ata'allamu aksar min lughatan wa hiya Indonesia wa Faransiya wa Arabia. Merci mama. Shukran lakuma.
Okay, now we're going to sing the national anthem in French. Are you ready? Yeah. And for the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Are we there? Yeah. Are we nursery children? Yeah. Are you sure?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahilladzi atani hadzal walidaini alladzina tadakha kullama ladayhima liruyati bihadza faqat lirayati bihadza faqat.
Shukran.
My name is Muhammad Al-Amin Balado. I'm here to recite a poem entitled A Teacher. Behind that president is me, the teacher. Behind that minister and doctor is me, the teacher. I call him Abdullah. Even though they may broke of me, I train their mind and guide their thoughts. Inspired a love of knowledge and truth. As you like the path of equal with philosophy and things begin with the teacher and the wisdom they bring. Thank you all. Kenya, my name is Tripolan. I am here to learn and thank you. My school, my friend, where every man around the world. We read, we learn, and make our freedom right. We learn to respect, not to neglect. We learn to accept, not to accept. We laugh, we cry, we play in stories with our best friends. Respect elders for their parents. We can sincere and punctual. It's a habit we learn, and that's why we call it hand on our youth. And thank you all.
Thank you. Yep. Thank you so much. Is there any entertainment left for the nursery trees? Which one? Can the Islamic club be on standby? Islamic club be on standby, please. Once again, we would like to recognize the members of our high table, a colleague, a brother, and a mentor also join us here by the name Mr. Senigiba. Senigiba, welcome. Thank you so much. Next to him is our guest speaker for the day, who is Mr. Umar A. Baji. From Mr. A. Umar Baji, we go to Babakar Juf. You know, all the Jews and the Fulas are my sons and my daughters. So this is why whenever I'm calling them, I do call them confidently. Mr. Juf is described as